How's it going, guys? This is Forensic Forex with Deontay, and I'm back with another video. We're looking at US dollar versus the Swiss franc. We can see that price is still taking out previous daily highs here since the start of the month. I did say that we could potentially be in a very strong bullish trend because of the Swiss National Bank cutting its rates recently. So recently they were at a 1.50, I believe, last month, and now recently they cut 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, down to 1.25. So they cut by a quarter basis point basically, and now price is most likely going to rally because the strength is going to go back into the dollar. If you take a look intraday, right? So for some folks that say, what about intraday, Deontay? So with the paid community, we talked about and we watched it live together. We were looking at the New York model, and essentially what you're taking is from 5 a.m. to 7 a.m. You're going to locate all your 15-minute swing highs or swing lows available to you, and then look for one side to be rated and look for a long or short depending on which side it broke. You can see it breaks the 15-minute swing low here between 5 a.m. to 7 a.m. Once it runs that, we go down to the 1 minute time frame. Like I said, we already did this and watched this live with the group. You can see that same entry technique that you guys see for the Asian model, the London model, and here, the New York model. There goes that swing high formation right here, and there goes that fair value gap through it. So that's what we're looking for after running that 15-minute swing low, and it must be occurring below the kill zone's opening price. The more confluences, the better. So we can see this is the opening price for the New York session. This dashed line here at 7 a.m. or New York Open. And then we have a double confluence as well. If we take it a step further, come over here, find midnight opening price. Where you at? There goes midnight opening price there. We drag this out. You can see how this idea is framing around that opening price. So that's 12 a.m. or true day open. So there's a double confluence there for that buy opportunity. So it purged sell side here on this Tuesday, and then it ran up to buy side. It's a very classic pattern that we see time and time again. For many people that have been following me from a long time, you guys seen this example hundreds of times, many times, on many other pairs as well. The same idea happened on other pairs like AU, UCAD, UJ, GU, and pretty much everything today gave a similar idea that we're looking at here on USwissy. We had that news. We had the Fed chairman talking about the economy. Clearly came all the way back down. Quick recovery again. There was a selling opportunity here too. So look, many times when I tell you, you can play the market both sides. It can be risky, but it's good to study it though and see it. Same entry idea. If you reverse engineer how this leg started, look at what it does. It's a fair value gap with the swing point inside. I know there might be other PD arrays that people might see here, but I'm trying to keep it as simple for the community and those that are still new to learning trading. Wait for a swing low to be ran out with speed or this type of inefficiency. Wait for price to trade back into it. Go short. Notice where this short is happening. It's happening during the kill zone. It's happening above 7 a.m. and midnight opening price, and it's happening above Sunday's opening price, or essentially the monthly opening price because it's the new month. So this new week is also the monthly opening price. And it's happening there. Triple confluence. There goes your nice short opportunity there. And then the news comes out here, runs back up. So at this point, I'm done trading. I would look to go trade during the Asian session now. We only came together because if the session has a news event inside, we most likely know it's going to be dynamic and it's going to produce a more rewarding setup potentially. And it did. It gave both sides, but initially we were looking for those longs for higher dollar and lower Swiss franc. Hopefully you found this insightful. Before we leave, let's just recap and what I expect moving forward. So I do think price is still going to take up previous daily highs. We're probably going to get a couple down days in the near future. NFP week, I'm not really trying to guess which direction it's going to go. It might honestly go down, and then the following week it's going to go up. So NFP week NFP day might just pull retail traders in short on that Friday, then going into Monday, then the following week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, traders might still be looking to go short, but it might come back and continue to rally because the strength is still in the dollar. Peace.